Hi all, thank you for participating in the 2025 Food and Grocery Shopping Study. My name is Annalisa Shemansky and I'm part of the FINS research team. We appreciate you sending in your grocery shopping receipts over the past few weeks. We are now entering the second phase of the study, where you will begin using a grocery planning app developed by our team at Notre Dame. As part of this phase, we now require that you actively use the app each week to help plan your grocery shopping. And we call this app the Food Information Networks app, or short for FINS app. And this app is designed to help you plan your grocery shopping and make decisions about what to buy each week. You'll create a shopping list by entering the items you plan to purchase, and the app will offer recommendations based on your dietary goals. Think of it as an extra layer of support while you shop. In this video, we'll walk through a few important steps to help you get started with the FINS app. First, we'll show you how to download the FINS app on your phone and get it set up. Next, we'll give you a brief tutorial on how to use the app. And finally, we'll go over weekly expectations for using the app. Again, to continue receiving your weekly gift cards, you need to use the app to plan your grocery lists each week. And we'll explain exactly what that looks like. So let's get started. First, let's talk about how to download the FINS app. The FINS app can easily be downloaded from the Apple Store for iPhone users or Google Play for Android devices. Included above this video is a direct link to download the FINS app. Please click on the link for your device. You may also type into the App Store or Google Play in the search Food Info Network System and look for this icon. If you're using an iPhone, tap the Get button. It may ask you for your Apple ID or Face ID, and please go ahead and confirm. If you're using an Android, similarly tap the Install button. It may ask you to confirm using your Google account. And that's it. The FINS app is now ready to use. Next, let's create your account. Once you have the app installed, click the Create Account button, where you will be prompted to put in your first name, last name, email, and password. Please use the same email that you have been using for this study. Lastly, before signing up, enter the sign-up code of FINSND25. Please remember this email and password, as you may need it to sign in again. After this step is complete, you will be asked to verify your email. You should receive a verification link to the email that you used to sign up. The subject of the email should be Verify Your Email for FINS App Dev. Once in the email, click on the link to verify your account. You should then receive a message that says your email has been verified. Once the step is complete, return back to the FINS app and click I have verified. You will then be prompted to log in. If you don't see the email, return back to the FINS app and click Resend Verification Email or check your spam folder. Next, let's talk about how to use the FINS app. After logging in with your email and password, you should be automatically brought to a FINS tutorial page. Please take some time to read through the tutorial where you can learn about many of the different features in the app. After the tutorial, you should be shown a page to set your goals, which include dietary preferences. Please select any dietary goals, including what you would like to get less of, what you would like to get more of, and foods that you would like to avoid. Then scroll down and click Done. From there, you are now on the My List tab of the app. You can now start searching for items to add to your list just the way you would when searching for an item on any other app. Once you've added items to your list, you'll see them appear under one of the 5 My Plate categories of protein, dairy, fruit, vegetables, grains, or other. This is what we expect you to use over the next couple of weeks to keep track of your grocery planning. You'll also see a banner at the top of your list that says click here for new recommendations. Click on this once you've built your list to view recommended products. Here, you will now see specific Walmart recommendations for each list item. These recommendations are based on the dietary preferences that you have entered, along with taking into account current sales and more affordable options. Note that the recommendations that are first shown here may not be exact to the list item that you entered, but instead healthier and affordable items that are similar. For example, if you entered eggs, you may see egg whites as a substitute based on what's on sale and what meets your dietary goals. You can click on each recommended item to see why the product was recommended and what the nutrition facts are. If you don't like an item, you can select See Alternatives for a list of alternative products. Here, you will also see a product that is close to the original list item that you entered. You will also see other substitutions for the list item that you entered based on your dietary goals. Click on each item to explore your options. If you like an alternative product better, go ahead and select that one to add to your list. Once you have finalized your list planning for the week, make sure that you have selected the products that you want to add to your Walmart cart by selecting the heart icon next to each product, where it says Select Product. Once you're happy with your list, then click the yellow Send to Walmart button at the bottom of the screen and send all of the items that you selected or hearted to your Walmart cart. If you don't like several products that are recommended, you can just send what you want to Walmart and then select the rest of your items through your Walmart account. Next, we will go over what is expected as a study participant in the next 4 weeks. This app is designed to support your grocery shopping each week, and we're interested to see how you use it to plan what you buy. At this stage of the study, it is important to note that you are required to actively use the app each week to plan your grocery list in order to continue receiving your weekly gift card payments. So let's go over a few steps for engaging with the FINS app each week. Step 1, always use the app to enter items when you plan your grocery list, whether you're doing a full grocery trip or just making a quick run for snacks or cravings. Even if you're not shopping at Walmart, you can still use the app to plan your trip by inputting items and then explore recommended products that might be available at other stores. Step 2, we ask that you review and consider the product recommendations shown in the app. These are tailored to your dietary goals and current sales. Step 3, make an informed decision about each product recommendation. You're encouraged to think about possible substitutions. For example, if the suggested item isn't available or if you find a similar option elsewhere. Step 4, be ready to document your reasoning during the weekly check-ins. We'll ask why you chose or didn't choose specific recommendations, including whether you made substitutions and why. And we'll do these weekly check-ins through a survey format. Now, here are some examples of when you might use the app. First is while meal planning or building your grocery list for the week, when you're in the store as you're searching for specific products, when you're looking for similar products at other stores, when planning for snacks or cravings, or when reflecting afterward on your choices, especially if you forgot to use the app beforehand and want to go back in and enter your list items to see what some of the recommendations are. We understand that plans change and not every shopping moment is perfect, but these steps help us learn how the app fits into your real life decisions. As a wrap up, over the next 4 weeks, please continue sending us your grocery receipts just as you have been doing for the past few weeks. In addition, please start to use the app starting the week of Monday, May 12th to plan your grocery list in order to continue receiving the weekly gift card payments. Finally, we ask for your feedback on the experience through a weekly check-in survey. If you have any questions or run into any problems with downloading the app or using the app, we have open office hours that are available in person, online, via Zoom, and by phone to help you. These sessions are meant to make sure that you are able to set up the app on your phone and start using it to build your grocery lists. Below are the dates and times for the office hours. You are not required to attend a live question and answer session, but you are welcome to join if it would be helpful. Office hours are very informal, and we will be available to assist you one-on-one as needed. You are free to come and go at any time during the scheduled period, or if you feel like you're comfortable with using the app, feel free to continue with using it. If you have any issues outside of office hours, you may also text us at our phone number, 574-318-9738, or you can email us at fins.southbend@gmail.com. We're here to support you. Thank you so much for participating in this study. We look forward to hearing about your experience and getting your feedback on using the app and the study as a whole. Thank you and take care.